What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Health Care presenting a new video about banana for skin. Banana is very important for skin. From banana you can get many benefits. In this video I will show you what type of benefits you will get from banana for your skin. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Health Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, benefits of banana for skin. Banana is great not just for your skin but one's overall health as well. There are many powerful nutrients contained in the fruit that make it perfect addition to your all natural face masks. Skin moisturizer. Banana is rich in potassium and moisture. It will hydrate and moisturizes dry skin. For making it soft, simply apply a banana face mask on your face. For making banana face mask, mash up a ripe banana with the back of your fork and apply it to your face. Rinse with cold water after 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy the soft feel of your skin. Oil control. Banana is great exfoliator which helps slough off excess sebum on skin surface. It also contains moisture, potassium and vitamin E and C which all promote clear glowing skin. Mash a ripe banana with the back of a fork and combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey and half teaspoons lemon juice to make an amazing face mask. Rinse off with a wet cloth or cold water. Anti-aging effects. Bananas, also known as nature's botox, contain super wrinkle fighting nutrients that helps fight age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. Slather on a thick coat of a powerful anti-aging banana face mask containing 1 mashed banana, 1 teaspoon orange juice and 1 teaspoon thick yogurt. Threats acne. Banana and its peels are excellent homemade remedies for treating acne and pimples. You can directly apply the inside of the banana peel onto your acne to reduce inflammation and destroy bacteria. Also use a face mask with mashed banana, honey and turmeric to brighten skin, reduce acne and moisturize your skin. Lightens dark spots. Whether it's acne scars, tiny moles, age spots, or dark spots that make your face dull, you can reduce them and even out general skin discolorations by applying mashed banana onto your face at least twice a week. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.